Welcome to a lifetime investment opportunity, Charm Harmonious Villas in Thalawathugoda. I'm Charitha from 73Avenue. Let me take you through this exclusive property. This villa is built on an 8.5 perch property and 3,550 square feet, crafted to embrace the moments in life. Check out this well-designed villa, and it makes sure that all your requirements are fulfilled. This exclusive suburban gated community reflects the safety, peace of mind and calm atmosphere. If you are looking to construct, this ready to move in property will save you extensive a lot of time. The primary room washroom features a resort feeling highlight. This balcony terrace has always featured for your hosting entertainment. Get in touch with me to walk through this exclusive property. Don't forget to subscribe 73Avenue Realtors. See you on the next exclusive property.